Good morning, J Bros family. I got a lot of requests wanting me to do the Palomar knot on just basically talking to you how I do it. So we're going to pretend that our shackle is our hook. So we'll run our line through the end of our hook, pull you out probably, I don't know, 12 to 18 inches, and then run your tag in back through your hook. So what you're going to have here is you're going to have a loop right here around your hook eye. So from there, I like to take my loop long enough to where I can make sure I can get it around the bait, and I will tie an overhand knot. Something very similar to this right there. Now the easy part, after you get that, this loop that you have here, you want to take your bait and or hook and put it through that loop just like that. Okay, and then you want to slowly start tightening up this here. Now I'm using paracord, so it's going to be a little for me to use paracord here, you got to take a little bit of extra time to run it down. And what's happening is all these twists here is causing the paracord not to want to slide together for me just right. But you pull that down tight right there, and that is your Palomar knot. Real quick, real easy. I'll show you the next knot here before long, which nope, I'll let it be a surprise. But right there, easy way to tie the Palomar knot, and then just take your tag in and trim it off, and there you have it. All right, guys, hit that follow button if y'all want more stuff like this. Y'all take it easy. And this is Larry Johnson from J Bros Lures. We make our lures with more action to attract more fish. Y'all have a great day.